Greetings from Puerto Cruz, from Tenerife, from paradise. We have partly cloudy Tuesday afternoon here. You can see the level of the ocean quite high. And let's see area behind El Muelle and new swimming center from behind. I'm curious about, there's one hole in the barrier, if it's bigger now or still same. Let's ride a bike. Siesta time. So streets are empty, which is good for riding the bike. Viva la música! Cafe Parchita, they speak Czech and Slovak language here. Mluvíš česky? Ahoj! There's the owner. Hola, Sharka! So if you want to eat a good ice cream or drink some good coffee, or what else you have? Breakfast, gofres,
ice cream, coffee, beer.
And you can sit here and enjoy the sun and the very nice people. And if you can speak Czech, když mluvíte česky, alebo keď hovoríte po slovensky, tak si môžete aj prehovoriť. Ahoj! Iglesia de San Francisco. El Muelle. A very nice situation today. Water looks clean. Yeah. So let's see another attraction, I would say, in Puerto de la Cruz. Big hole, gap in this great barrier. Campers are back. There was a sign that they could stay only 24 hours. Who knows, maybe now rules are different. Prohibido estacionar más de 24 horas. It's forbidden to stay longer than 24 hours here. So be careful if you want to stay here longer. And this is attraction here. Can you imagine the power of waves? Yeah, getting bigger and bigger after every storm. Now we can see new swimming center, and the construction site fence is gone, so we can see a little bit. It's still not open. I'm pretty sure they have to fix this coast as well, because it's getting closer and closer to the center. They will do it somehow, for sure. They know how to do it. Yep, it looks beautiful. Wow, brand new. This is 50 meters and another part 25, I think.